What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today, I don't really know what to do, honestly. I just don't know what to do. I told you I would make a video every day, so here it is. Here's the video. I gotta do a biking video before jail. Everything's open. But yeah, guys. Making chocolate milk right now. That's it. It's all the milk we have left. Oh my god. There's like leaks, guys. There's like... Oh! Do you guys want to see the game room? Oh my god, it's so sad. The game room is so sad. After I make this chocolate milk, I'm going to give you a game room tour. Like we did back in the day in the basement. If you even want to call it the game room at this point. It's sad, bro. It's unrecognizable. It is. It's unrecognizable, the game room. So, yeah. Yes, sir. Alright. So, we are going to show you the game room. And yeah, I'm going to just put this here for a sec so I can show you guys the game room. Alright, so here's the game room entrance. Let's go down the stairs. Here's that little landing thing. Are you ready to see the basement? It's unrecognizable, guys. Here's the game room, which was once the game room, remember? The TVs there. There's some old systems right here. I have some systems that don't work that I just left down here. This thing, some laptops from an IT department that was throwing them away. And a cart, a laptop cart with a busted power box that they were also throwing away, so I took it. And then this, oh my god. Wow. It's sad, bro. Here's where the office was. This was the office. If you can remember this part. The office. And yeah. This was all curtains a few months ago. Look, there's still a remaining curtain. A remaining curtain, guys. They all gave out. Oh my god. And I could tell. This is the game room. This is the game room. There's that old rug. The old rug. But yeah, this is the old game room. That's all that's there now. So yeah, that's the game room if you were wondering. Oh my God, I used to hang out over there every single day after school. Every day. E.T.'s still there. But yeah, that's it. That's the game room. And that's sad. It's really sad. But yeah. That is the game room. Alright, we're in my room now. But yeah, that was the game room. And that's so sad, bro. When I put that game room together, it took a while, if you remember. It was in stages. But yeah. That was so cool. The nostalgia down there, oh my God. With the office. Yeah, I told you guys I was gonna show you it. But yeah. That's it. That's the game room. So yeah. There's Eli the Creator outside. Right over there. And yeah. So yeah, that was the video for today. The game room. Oh my God, the game room's so sad. But yeah. Hope you liked it. If you did, comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. Bye.